हेलो किड्स, आई हैव सो मेनी कलर्स फॉर यू। मेरे पास आपके लिए ढेर सारे कलर्स हैं। लेट्स लर्न कलर्स नेम। चलिए जानते हैं रंगों के नाम। ब्लू कलर, वायलेट कलर, ये है ऑरेंज कलर, रेड कलर, येलो कलर, स्काई कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर, ये है मजेंटा कलर, ब्राउन कलर, black color. Today we will learn alphabet with fruits name. आज हम पढ़ेंगे अल्फाबेट फलों के नाम के साथ। Let's start. A for apple. Apple means सेब. B for blackberry. Blackberry means jamun. C for cashew. Cashew means kaju. D for dragon fruit. Dragon fruit means dragon फल. E for elderberry. Elderberry means elderberry. F for fig fruit. Fig fruit means अंजीर का फल. G for gooseberry. Gooseberry means करौंदा. H for huckleberry. Huckleberry means huckleberry. I for ice apple. J for jujube. Jujube means bay. K for kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi. L for lychee. Lychee means lychee. M for muskmelon. Muskmelon means खरबूज. N for nance. Nance means nance. O for olive fruit. Olive fruit means जैतून का फल. P for pear. Pear means नाशपाती. Q for quince. Quince means श्रीफल. R for red banana. Red banana means लाल केला. S for star fruit. Star fruit means कमरख. T for tamarind. Tamarind means इमली. U for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit means उगली फल. V for velvet apple. Velvet apple means मखमली सेब. W for walnut. Walnut means अखरोट. X for ज़ीमेनिया. ज़ीमेनिया means ज़ीमेनिया फल. Y for yellow guava. Yellow guava means पीला अमरूद. Z for जेंटे करंट. ये पिंक कलर. ये for apple. Apple means सेब. B green color. B for blackberry. Blackberry means jamun. C. Orange color. C for cashew. Cashew means kaju. D. Blue color. D for dragon fruit. Dragon fruit means dragon fal. E. Pink color. E for elderberry. Elderberry means elderberry. F. Red color. F for fig fruit. Fig fruit means अंजीर का फल. G. Blue color. G for gooseberry. Gooseberry means करौंदा. H. Red color. H for huckleberry. Huckleberry means huckleberry. I. Olive color. I for ice apple. Ice apple means ice apple. J. Yellow color. J for jujube. Jujube means bear. K. Brown color. K for kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi. L. Purple color. L for lychee. Lychee means lychee. M. Light green color. M for muskmelon. Muskmelon means खरबूजा. N. Orange color. N for nance. Nance means nance. O. Blue color. O for olive fruit. Olive fruit means जैतून का फल. P. Pink color. P for pear. Pear means नाशपाती. Q. Yellow color. Q for quince. Quince means श्रीफल. R. Red color. R for red banana. Red banana means लाल केला. S. Blue color. S for star fruit. Star fruit means कमरख. T. Pink color. T for tamarind. Tamarind means imli. U. Olive color. U for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit means ugly fruit. V. Purple color. V for velvet apple. Velvet apple means velvet apple. X. Orange color. X for Zinnia. Zinnia means Zinnia. Y. Blue color. Y for yellow guava. Yellow guava means पीला अमरूद. G. Brown color. Z for Gente currant. Gente currant means Gente fal. A. B. C. D. E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y G. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.